A cold start to today. We had those clouds filter in. We've got moisture moving back into the wiregrass. That means very mild conditions tonight. Some 25 degrees warmer for tomorrow morning than it was this morning. And then the rainfall on top of that for tomorrow morning. We've got a lot of clouds out there right now and mild temperatures all throughout the wiregrass. This morning started off with 30. Warm up quickly by noontime. We were already in the 50s, 57 for an afternoon high in Dothan. And now temperatures have leveled off. Steady temperatures throughout the wiregrass, now in the 50s, 53 in Dothan. The dew points have steadily risen too, so a little bit more moisture in the air. That's ahead of this cold front that'll be moving in and bringing us good rain chances for tomorrow morning into tomorrow afternoon. A few spots have cooled off a bit. Troy at 44, but 47 in Enterprise, 47 in Ozark, 50s in Abbeville and in Blakely, 47 in Bonifay, and middle 50s and low 50s in the Florida Panhandle. So we're going to break down our rain chances in a second. It's all associated with this big, massive area of low pressure and this cold front that's now stretched through the Midwest. A lot of rainfall ahead of it. Folks in East Texas, Louisiana, Arkansas, up into the Mississippi River Valley, in Mississippi, in West Tennessee, and now moving into northern Alabama, the rainfall is there. The rain is going to get here by tomorrow morning. Note the time, 10 a.m. tomorrow, we start to see the first waves of showers move in. The heaviest of the rain moves in by lunchtime, noontime, 1 o'clock, and then everything clears out except for a few lingering showers by Saturday night. We're still going to hang on to the clouds. By Sunday, those melt away. We're going to see a very sunny, for the most part, Sunday with a lot of cold air rushing in and very blustery conditions, and it's going to stay cold for Monday and Tuesday mornings, especially temperatures close to freezing. So let's get closer to home, break down our rain chances and the timing. A lot of clouds tonight. Then we see the first little showers start to pop up during the early morning hours. By 9 o'clock, some of the heavier rain moves in. And then watch what happens. This squall line passes us by. Note where all the heavier reds and yellows are down south of us in the Florida Panhandle and the Big Bend. That's where most of the strong thunderstorm activity will be. If we see any severe weather at all, it's going to be down south, south of Interstate 10. I think a lot of folks in southeast Alabama and southwest Georgia will just see a few showers, maybe some thunderstorms, but not the strong variety. And then the clouds stick around for Saturday night into Sunday, and Sunday we see a mostly sunny sky. How much rain could we see? That depends on where you are. We'll break down that in a second. The Gulfcast, showers and thunderstorms during the afternoon time. Severe thunderstorms are possible, not likely, but they are possible. So for tonight, 50 degrees, clouds increasing, milder. Temperatures are going to go up after midnight into the low 50s during the early morning hours. So heavy rain at times, anywhere from ½ an inch to an inch of rain, and that's it. If you see any more than an inch, it's not going to be much more. Could see an isolated strong storm, and that's where the heavier rain is going to be. A good chance everybody gets wet for tomorrow. In the 5-day forecast, the rain should be all done by early Sunday morning, and then we get cold once again. Temperatures in the middle and low, or upper 50s, I should say, for Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. Temperatures moderate a bit, but still chilly both Monday and Tuesday. We're going to go through some big swings in the weather department for the next 24 to 48 hours. Today, lots of clouds and rainy. Once that rain starts, we're going to see that window of showers, that opportunity to see some of that rain in between around 10 o'clock and 3 to 4, and then colder air moves back in. But showers around for folks off to the west, and they'll be moving this way over the next several hours. 58 right now in Dothan, 59, Ozark, 60 in Geneva. Numbers are actually starting to rise just a bit as the clouds and humidity increase. Temperatures basically in that 50-degree range. When you see the dew points have really come up since last night. More moisture in the air and southeast breezes as well. At 14 miles an hour, that's transporting that very humid air into the wiregrass from down near the Gulf of Mexico. So there's the line of showers, basically in the central and northern portions of Alabama and Georgia. Folks in Huntsville got some pretty strong storms about an hour ago. Now raining in Birmingham and Montgomery, and in Atlanta will be raining here very shortly. So here's the future cast. Good news about this system, it's moving pretty quickly. Once the rain gets here, it's not going to stay around too long. So the heavy pockets of rain aren't going to be as widespread as, say, the last big rain event that we had where we saw inches of rain during the overnight period. But today, the rainfall should be starting here in the next couple of hours. By 10 o'clock, we'll see a band, kind of a solid line form, and then by noon, that line pushes on through. The heaviest of the rain stays down near the Florida Panhandle and near the coast, and the chances of severe weather exist south of Interstate 10. So if you're going to Panama City, if you have family in Bluntstown or near Mariana, that's where some of the strongest weather will be for today. How much rain could we see? Anywhere from half an inch to maybe an inch in some of the heavier pockets, but don't expect too much more than that over the next 12 hours or so. So here's the deal. Rain developing, showers getting going by 10 a.m. Some heavy rain, the heaviest rain south of Interstate 10. And with that is going to be some thunderstorms and the possibility of severe weather with gusty winds and the chance for an isolated tornado. That's all near the coast. Turning colder, cold, windy for Sunday and into Monday. This afternoon, 70, showers and storms, isolated strong to severe weather, mainly in the Florida Panhandle. Southwest winds at 5 to 15. Tonight, 46, mostly cloudy, a lingering shower, and then cooling off. Much colder temperatures for tomorrow than what we'll see for today. You see the 5-day forecast, 56 for Sunday afternoon, cold, blustery day with those clouds hanging out, and then 32 for Monday morning. It's going to be a cold one. Freezing temperatures, probably a freeze warning will be issued on Monday. Tuesday and Wednesday, temperatures start to moderate. Picture from Dolphin Island. This is the picture from our Alpha Skycam in Dothan. The bright, very bright full moon this evening. Look to the east. Go ahead and snap a picture. Send it our way. Hopefully we can get some of those on the news tonight. You'll have plenty of good opportunity to snap a picture and send it to us with all the clear sky that we have around. You can send it to Nate at WTVY.com. You can find me on Twitter at Nate_HH or obviously on Facebook as well. We want to see those pictures. Send them on in. So no clouds around for today. A lot of sunshine. A nice morning, although a little chilly. And the afternoon was nice as well with those temperatures rising into the low 60s. Right now we're at 52. The dew points are low humidity levels. That's why I haven't seen any clouds, and we won't see any clouds for tonight. And a little breath of wind out of the northwest at 3. Those winds should be going calm or very light for tonight. Low 50s, upper 40s for almost everybody in the Wiregrass right now. Even down near the coast, they were chilly as well early this morning, and they saw a very nice afternoon as well. But even though it still feels a little chilly outside, compare the numbers that we've got right now to what we had yesterday, and we're about 10 degrees warmer than that. I think that warming trend continues. It's not going to be the dramatic warm-up that we saw today for the next few days. However, we will be significantly warmer, especially at the middle and end of the week. There you see the winds out of the north. Most folks seeing a very light wind or it's all calm. Right now, numbers in the 50s and 60s throughout the Gulf Coast. 60s off to the west, 50s and even some 40s, 49 in Jacksonville. The futurecast is going to look very, very quiet over the next several days. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, as high pressure slides on to the east, that controls our weather. We don't see too many clouds at all through the middle of the work week. We won't see any rain. We will see a slight warm-up by the time we get to Thursday as flow returns back from the south. We get a little bit more moisture in the air. Then by Friday and Saturday, our pattern changes a lot. We'll be much warmer, and we'll even see a few chances for showers. So here's the deal. Cool mornings, sunny afternoons ahead for us. Very pleasant. Highs will rise to near average and then a little bit above average for the middle and late portion of the work week, and well above average temps for Friday and into Saturday. We'll look at the 5-day in just 1 second. Out on the Gulf, pretty nice conditions. Lighter winds. That means smoother bays and seas only a foot to 2 feet. The winds out of the north at 5 to 10 knots. For tonight, 36, staying cold. There'll be some areas of frost. You don't have to be at or below freezing to get frost. We'll see a little bit, not widespread like we had this morning, just a few areas, especially in the rural spots in the Wiregrass. 64 tomorrow, lots of sunshine and a little bit warmer than it was today, maybe 2 to 3 degrees warmer than this afternoon. Tuesday and Wednesday will look like carbon copies of each other. A little bit warmer on Thursday as a high slides to our east and we get a little bit more return flow off the Gulf of Mexico. Then Friday and Saturday, a little warmer still. A little bit more cloud cover too and slight chances of rain Friday and Saturday. Not going to put too much stock on those rain chances. It's a very nice week. Very typical of December. No big temperature swings, no big rain chances. This is what we should be seeing.
Mother Nature is helping us get in those last-minute Christmas shopping.
Yeah, it's unfortunately trips. Saturday, a lot rainy. I know it put a damper on a lot of folks, but this week, looking good.
Didn't rain on our parade, by the way.
That's good.
Yeah.
That's very good.
Saturday morning. So
Good to
that was
hear.
good. Thanks a lot.